Hello everyone. Today we are going to see how we can vectorize a drone image almost automatically in the condition that we have a high resolution and good quality image georeferenced. We are going to use the example of Kibonge, Republic Democratic of Congo, close to Bunia. We are going to vectorize this image in order to receive almost automatically something like that. Of course, you could vectorize each single features manually. This is possible, but this will take a long time. You could as well try to use the artificial intelligence map flow, but despite several efforts, I never managed to come to a good result. Therefore, I developed this workflow. Unfortunately, part of it needs Global Mapper, which is a GIS software that it is not open source. First, you have to load the image developed with your drone. This image was taken a few months ago with my DJI Mavic Pro drone at more or less 150-meter elevation. The fly path was done with Pix4D captures. You can see the resolution is not that bad. The first step is to crop the orthophoto along the perimeter of the site. For that, we go to raster, we go to extraction, clip raster by mask layer. We choose the raster layer to crop, it's the orthophoto. We choose the layer, the perimeter. Source is optional, but I put 35 north, again 35 north. The rest you can keep it like it is and you run it. It might take some seconds to clip your orthophoto if the orthophoto has a big size. Here it is. I take away the original. Here we have our site cropped along the perimeter. Step number 2 would be to render the image black and white. This will simplify later on the automatic recognition of the shelter. To convert the images black and white, you go to processing tool and you display the toolbox, which will appear on the right, and in the toolbox you search for the command called round raster. You see it's here. So you click twice on that. In the input raster you put the clipped mask that we have just generated, and the rest you can keep it like it is default. You run it, and now you see that we have converted our image in black and white. Fine. At this point we have to export this new image because this needs to be elaborated with another GIS software, which is Global Mapper. Unfortunately, I cannot do this process in QuantumGIS because I couldn't find the corresponding command. So I export these images. I click on the layer, I right click, export, save as. GeoTIFF is fine. You decide the location. The location is a temporary folder that I called Kibonge, and I give the name of the file Kibonge black and white. The rest you can keep it like it is, 35 projection. I don't want to add it here, so I close it and OK. Now this is exported. At this point I save my QuantumGIS and I open Global Mapper.